James Bond. Can I say Daswani? Maya Daswani? No. But I can do it another way. I can say I'm Maya Daswani. And I have to say M properly. So usually when you want to be empowering, the first syllable, okay? The first syllable of your sentence, your name, say it clearly. So I have to say the M in Maya. And I have to say the D of Daswani. Right? Because I'm saying, I don't know, oh, what did she do? I didn't quite understand. She said, then forgotten. Okay? Never be forgotten. Anything that happens less is your fault. It's never nobody's fault. It's your life. You have the remote control of your life. Okay? So we have women's empowerment is our empowerment. The word woman has the word man in it. Woman. And women, we have the men in us. And every woman is born from every man is born from a woman. So we are that empowered, right? Yes. See, we are all in careers. We have to help with the economy, and you also don't want to just be a housewife. You want to have a career as well. And you need to balance it. In office, to be treated sensibly, professionally, you have to have power, right? You have to be assertive, you have to be firm. So people take you respectfully, right? But then what happens? You get this habit of having this power, hard power. In the office, but please, a woman is truly empowered when she goes home. She has soft power. Okay? So the way you order people around and you're aggressive, assertive in the workplace doesn't work the same at home. You can't order people around. Okay. Communication is two-way system. I love that word. Last year, exactly on this day, Women's Day last year, I was in Bombay Times for being an empowered woman. It said, give a message. And I said, create brand you. Right? Even fake it to make it. Okay. So another exercise I do is that when we start, we say personality. What do we see immediately? We see people, persons, right? And if you break up the word personality, person, then comes persona. That's my company name, Persona, power. I added power because, I don't know, that day the numerological site came down for some reason, which I don't even believe, or it just came down, and I tried, and they said average. Then I added power, and it said very lucky. And I got my first corporate assignment. Okay? So, so persona. So what does persona mean to you? The word personality contains persona. Quick! It's a shortcut for the word personality. But all English comes from Latin, all Hindi comes from Sanskrit. In Latin, persona means mask. You know mask? You wear a mask? Sometimes you're angry, you look cool. You're cool, but you have to show anger with a helpers probably, right? So you have to wear different masks. With the children, you're irritated, but you've got to show calm with the boss, right? With your colleagues, teammates, whatever. Don't we wear many masks throughout the day? Yes, persona. Then personal is the spelling. And then personality. It? What is it? What is it? Personal it? It is qualities. It is abilities. Okay? Like what? Tell me some qualities in people. Some qualities you like and some qualities you hate. How about this side? Tell me qualities you love, like. Congenial. Compassionate. But earlier, when you meet somebody, that vibration comes. Friendliness, right? Isn't that the warmth, friendliness, humble, not shy, actually? And someone who doesn't speak and you have to go and speak to her, she never speaks, she never says hello. Shy, right? Shy people might be intelligent, but if you don't speak up, what happens? if I was looking for a boy for my daughter, and I met a man, I looked, and then I said, "Ladka acha tha." The boy was very good, but he hardly spoke. Itna smart nahi hai, right? Isn't it? So usually what we do is when we start the project, we have a chit also where you write, you think about yourself. It's funny, we never sit and think about our good points and write down our own bad points. And then I send it without name, send it forward, and then we take a vote count. And the biggest votes come for shyness and frustration, angry, irritations, handling oneself, yes? Not being able to be honest. Sometimes you fake it a lot, but your fakeness, when you fake it to make it, you make it for the positive. You make it for the positive. So this is all, this whole study. Actually, this study of personality qualities comes from the finishing schools of Europe, which I have had to do. I was living that side. And these personal skills, they are personal skills. They do not teach you these personal skills at schools and universities, right? They're also called finishing schools. Well, the meaning sounds like they finish you, right? No, in fact, they finish all your flaws, okay? They polish you. It's also called charm school. And you'll be amazed that personality celebrities send their kids and they themselves go to these schools. Princess Diana has been to a finishing school. The lady now, Prince Charles' wife, is also a student of a finishing school. Our Gayatri Rani from Jaipur, Princess Gayatri, she was in a finishing school. The Aga Khan, and even Prince Rainier. The smallest kingdom in Europe is Prince Rainier of Monaco. And even he has been to a finishing school. Imagine, right? So these subjects are now coming in. India is in the global map. We're with the competition, right? Okay, so we have to be up to par or beyond par excellence. India is showing, right? So it just shows actually with your hard skills. What are your hard skills? When they say this is soft skills training, so if this is soft skills training, what is hard skills? Think about it. Hard skills. Anybody? Please. Logic? No. Leadership? No. Technical skills? She's the closest. Can we give her a round of applause? Yeah. You must appreciate people. You must give credit to people when it is due. Do it every day of your life. If you find something nice, give credit. You must. You will have better savings in your bank. Credit card will not be needed. You will have lots of wealth in your capacity, right? Give a lot of compliments, give a lot of appreciation, and do much less criticism. And I just tell you, it has to be more of compliments. You always criticize quietly on the side. Yeah, you always look.